Want to travel the world without breaking the bank? This is how it's done. It's that dream of exploring distant lands, experiencing new cultures, and seeing the wonders of the world often feels out of reach, right? We scroll through stunning travel photos, dreaming of exotic beaches or bustling cityscapes, only to be hit with the reality of flight costs, hotel bills, and daily expenses. It seems like world travel is reserved for the wealthy, or at least those with incredibly deep pockets. But what if I told you that the secret to seeing the globe isn't about having an endless supply of money, but about having a smart strategy? What if you could unlock incredible adventures, visit bucket list destinations, and truly immerse yourself in new experiences without draining your savings account? Today, we're tearing down the myth that travel has to be expensive. We're rediving into the proven tactics and mindset shifts that empower you to explore amazing places on a budget, turning those distant dreams into tangible itineraries. Get ready to pack your bags because your budget travel blueprint starts now. The first, and perhaps most crucial mindset shift, is embracing flexibility as your superpower. Our traditional idea of travel often involves fixed dates, popular destinations, and peak seasons. This is where prices skyrocket. Instead, think about traveling during the shoulder season, the times just before or after peak tourist periods. The weather is often still pleasant, but crowds are thinner, and prices for flights and accommodation can drop by a significant margin. Even shifting your travel by a few weeks can result in savings of hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Being open to alternative destinations also pays off. Instead of always defaulting to the most famous city, research nearby towns or less trafficked regions that offer similar experiences at a fraction of the cost. The best deals often go to those who are willing to adapt their plans. Next up, let's talk about mastering cheap flights. This is often the biggest hurdle, but also where the biggest savings can be found. Always use incognito or private browse mode when searching for flights, as websites can track your searches and potentially increase prices. Set price alerts through platforms like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak. These tools will notify you when fares drop for your desired routes. Be open to budget airlines, but always read the fine print about baggage fees, seat selection, and extra charges. Sometimes flying into a major hub airport and then taking a separate, cheaper regional flight or a bus to your final destination can save you hundreds. Consider red-eye flights or flights with layovers. They are often significantly cheaper and can offer unique travel experiences. Finally, explore loyalty programs and credit card points. Strategically accumulating points can get you free flights, making a massive dent in your travel budget. It takes a bit of planning, but the payoff is immense. Once flights are sorted, rethinking accommodation is key. Forget automatically booking expensive hotels. Hostels aren't just for young backpackers anymore. Many now offer private rooms with en-suite bathrooms, providing a clean, social, and incredibly affordable alternative. For longer stays or a more local feel, explore Airbnb or local vacation rentals, especially if you're traveling with a group to split costs. But for truly unique and often free experiences, dive into couchsurfing, where locals offer spare beds or couches and the chance for authentic cultural exchange. Alternatively, house-sitting services allow you to stay in someone's home for free in exchange for looking after their pets or property. These options offer not just cost savings, but also a deeper immersion into the local culture, giving you insights you'd never get from a hotel lobby. Eating well on a budget means eating like a local. Skip the tourist traps with inflated prices and mediocre food. Instead, hit up local supermarkets or grocery stores to buy ingredients and prepare some of your own meals, especially if your accommodation has a kitchen. This is often the biggest money saver. Embrace the vibrant world of street food markets. They offer delicious, authentic, and incredibly affordable meals. Observe where the locals eat. That's usually a sign of good quality and fair prices. Don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations. They know the hidden gems. Packing reusable water bottles and opting for tap water where safe also adds up to significant savings over time, reducing both your expenses and your plastic waste. Finally, mastering local transport and embracing free activities will truly unlock your budget travel potential. Public transportation like buses, trams, And subways are not only cost-effective, but offer an authentic glimpse into daily local life. Embrace walking as much as possible. It's free, healthy, and allows you to discover hidden alleys and unexpected sights. Many major cities offer free walking tours based on tips, which are an excellent way to get an overview and local insights without a hefty price tag. Seek out free museums or those with pay-what-you-wish days. Explore public parks, gardens, and natural landmarks. These are often breathtaking and completely free to enjoy. Look for free cultural events, festivals, or local markets that don't charge an entry fee. These are often the most memorable and authentic experiences you can have. Remember, budget travel isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart, intentional choices that prioritize experience over excess. It's about leveraging flexibility, creativity, and local insights to stretch your dollar further, allowing you to travel more often for longer into more incredible places. It's about empowering you to define your own adventure without being held back by financial constraints. So, if that travel bug is buzzing louder than ever, know that the world is more accessible than you think. With these strategies, you're not just saving money. You're building a new skill set for life, becoming a savvier traveler who can truly explore the globe on your own terms. Your adventure awaits, and it doesn't have to break the bank. What's the first step you'll take towards your next journey?